Hi friends! Retirement does not mean the end of the road. I'm 61 years old and I'm starting fresh with a YouTube channel that combines my academic journey and my Marian faith walk. If you've ever wondered, can I really begin again even at this stage of life? I'm here to tell you, of course, the answer is definitely yes. And not only yes, but now is the best time. My name is Jeanette. After 37 years of flight crew, I thought retirement would mean slowing down and enjoying comfort. But I quickly realized something, and it's very important, that comfort without purpose can leave you feeling empty. I've been with Atomy for 4 years, using the products daily and seeing how they improve my health and well-being. My whole family enjoys them too. But my channel, Atomy is Us, just sat quietly without direction. So today I want to change that. This is me starting over with clarity, with courage, and with determination to live a meaningful second life. I've been blessed with uplines who believe in me, and after decades of flying, I was trained to step up when it mattered. Flying was never easy. It required discipline, safety, and resilience, even when we were exhausted. Jet lag is really very different. In Atomy, I grew quickly, but without a vision. So now I'm ready to rebuild with direction and purpose. I also believe in Atomy's products because they became part of my story. After two cancer scares in 2003 and again in 2019, I made a conscious decision to protect my body with products that support my health, my skin, and my well-being. At this age, these choices matter, and they shape the quality of life I want to enjoy 10 to 20 years from now. And beyond my own life, the company itself inspires me. Atomy is built on research, on integrity, and on the principle of absolute quality and absolute price. It grew from just 17 people to millions worldwide. And that tells me something very important. It's not just for those with money or connections, it's for ordinary people like you and me who simply want a chance. So over the years, I've listened to so many stories of people who started with almost nothing. What they had was courage, gratitude, and determination. Their journeys prove one thing, that nothing is impossible when you decide to try. And I want to remind you that same courage is inside you too. And here's where I am today. Retired but not useless. I know my limits. I can't go around anymore prospecting or cold calling. But that doesn't mean I should stop. This channel allows me to share, to teach, and to inspire while I still balance family and faith. And I want to do more by doing less, using this channel to reach people like you who want to live fully in this next chapter of life. So here I am at 61, beginning again, for anyone who wants to start over. Maybe you have very little, or you're wondering if there's still hope. Of course there is. Maybe you already have enough. But deep down, you know you're wasting your life in comfort without purpose. Then this is also for you. Because life doesn't stop when we retire or when things just get hard. Life stops only when we choose to stop trying. If others have done it, you can do it too. I'm here to walk the journey with you. So if you're ready to live healthier, wiser, with real purpose, then I invite you to join me. Subscribe to Atomy's Us so you won't miss my upcoming videos. And if you'd like to try Atomy yourself, check the link down below to open a free Atomy account and walk with me in this journey. Retirement is not the end. It is the beginning of a second life worth living. So let's do it together.